Grand Rising family, Empress D. I'm here in nature, of course. Um, yeah, before I say anything, I just want to encourage everybody to get outside. Um, it'll change you, especially if you do it consistently, family. Take my word for it. What I did want to talk about today is how nature has changed me, and it's changed me in a lot of ways, but specifically I'm way more I want to I'm way more overstanding of where people are coming from, and I am way more able and willing to meet them where they're at. And that has come in the last year, since I've been committing to consistently come out to paradise like this, right? Now when I interact with people, and I can read and see exactly where they're at and where they're coming from, and I'm very easily able to adapt and understand what where they're coming from, where they're I don't want to use the word limitation, but that's the only word that comes to my mind. But limitation in terms of thinking is, and I'm able to meet them where they're at. And I think that I've been able to develop that perceptive ability because I've been coming out here. When I come out here, you can hear the sounds, the greenery, the air, the water. It all does something for us scientifically. It's natural and it's serene and it's real. I know that I was reading about research that shows that how we think and speak affects everything, right? And one experiment that was done was with water and the freezing of water. When loving, kind words were written on the containers with the water and then frozen, the water froze in patterns that were pleasing, symmetrical, and beautiful. But when negative and evil or not serving or condescending words were written on the container that the glass was freezing in, the patterns and shapes in which the water froze in were not pleasing to the eye. And so that goes to show that not even spoken word, but written word affects how things are, right? Anyway, family, I'm not going to keep you guys. I just really come out here every day to show you that I'm doing it. I'm coming out every day to enjoy nature, and actually, selfishly, I'm now enjoying the effects, the positive effects it has had on me and my life, right? And so I think I'm here as an example, just showing you that if you commit to coming out here with the intention of growing, it will happen. Family, they keep us busy for a reason. They keep us away from this for a reason. Most people will go out, we'll have a picnic, a few times a year and that kind of thing, and most people will spend an extended time in nature only for a few times a year. It's not a regular thing. But I think, family, if we do spend an extended time on a regular basis, it can do wonders for your life. Anyway, family, thank you so much for taking this message in. I love and I value everyone. One love.